Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Power BI to Google Analytics. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up Power BI Desktop, come to the top panel, click on Get Data. You'll get this drop down, just go ahead and click on More, and now we'll get a pop-up. And what I want you to do is come here and hit Search, and just search for a Google Analytics, okay? We get this connector right here, so just go ahead and select that, and then go ahead and click on connect. Okay, as soon as you do that, you'll see this pop up that says we are going to be connecting to a third party service. Okay, go ahead and click on continue right here. And now we just need to wait for this to load up. So we need to choose the implementation. I suggest you go for 1.0. The other one is still in beta. Go ahead and hit OK and just give it a few seconds because we will need to reach this page, and then you just need to hit sign in. We need to sign in to Google Analytics. So now we are being signed in. Okay, it will open up a tab in our browser right here. We choose our Google account that is connected to Google Analytics. So I'll go ahead and select this one right here and just authorize Power BI desktop access to our Google account, through which it will get access to our Google Analytics. So as you can see, sign in is now complete and we can return back to the application. So we're currently signed in. We can go ahead and hit connect. And that is how you connect Power BI to Google Analytics.